princess, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, yes, welcome and enjoy my videos. Today's topic is, what's the weather like? Let's start with the cold weather. So there are different levels. When the temperature is low but pleasant, it's cool. When it is cold and you feel uncomfortable, it's chilly. When it is extremely cold, it's freezing. When the temperature is, for example, -10 degrees Celsius, the temperature is below zero. Let's now have hot weather. It's fairly warm, it's mild. Pleasantly high temperature, it's warm. It's unpleasantly hot. It's scorching. It's boiling. Let's have rainy weather. A bit wet, but not raining. It's damp. With light rain, it's drizzling. Short periods of rain, there are showers. Very heavy rain, it's pouring. Now for the windy weather. A light wind. There's a breeze. Very strong wind. There are gale-force winds. So yes, there you go. Those are the different weather conditions and how we use them when describing the weather. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about more adjectives to describe the weather. So I'll see you again next time. Bye!